Hi, my dear youth, the Indian youth. I am Commander Sudhir Kumar and I am a veteran of Indian Navy. And today I am going to talk about that what I am doing at my YouTube channel, that is Pulse Beat of India. I did 24 years of glorious service in various prestigious appointments in Indian Navy that started as a training, design and evaluation commander at Naval College of Engineering at Lonavala and then at School for Naval Airmen Safna at Kochi. After that, I was skill training management principal of apprentices training school at Naval Ship Repair Yard, and then I moved to a submarine support services of a nuclear submarine INS Chakra, which was called Triple S Special Safety Services, as a radiation safety and waste management officer, or you can say manager. So with these credentials, I also talk about that what are my qualifications. I did my MSc in 1979 in first class first in nuclear physics specialization from Meerut University, and after that I submitted, or rather I got awarded my MPhil in a DA, Department of Atomic Energy research scheme from Aligarh Muslim University. After doing that, when I joined Navy, I was also selected to undergo a 2 years specialized course which was equivalent to MTech, known as Post-Graduation in Nuclear Technology from Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Trombay, Mumbai. After that, I also had an opportunity to undergo an executive MBA from Management Development Institute, Gurgaon. So with this background education, I was also trained as a psychologist to select the officers for Indian Armed Forces. So with this background, now I am going to talk about that what I did after taking premature retirement from Indian Navy in 2006. I was there, I was managing risk and security management in a multinational company, became vice president in 2010, and then onwards I served at various MNCs and corporate as vice president. Then at present I am working in the university, and my main aim is now that I would like to influence young minds. I want to motivate them so that they are having that passion, what they do in life. Let me tell you youth that it is not the education which is important. It is your passion, it is your attitude, it is your positivity, it is your how you channelize your energy towards in life. And that is, once you make your objectives, goals very clear in life, and you do what you enjoy the most, and then when you are enjoying what you like the most, then you are doing with passion. So in that your energy will not be wasted, and you will always be productive, you will always be focused that what you want to achieve in your life. That's where now you can call me that I am an influencer, I am a motivator, or you can call me a coach, or where I would like to put youth energy of India towards that maximum contribution so that India becomes a self-reliant nation in next 2 decades. This is the time of youth. This century belongs to India. At present, we are having near about 65% population of India which is of age less than 30 years. It means near about 800 million to 850 million people are less than 30 years of age, and out of that near about 400 to 500 million people are the working hands, the youth. Just imagine this kind of a workforce, if they are channelized with a focus, if they are dedicated towards India and they do their best in innovation, the way we have done now in a startup, I am sure India will not only be a self-reliant nation, I have got strong conviction that by 2040, we will be the number one economy, leaving China and USA behind. So that is my aim, that any time you can come back to me at Pulse Beat of India, or at my LinkedIn profile or Facebook profile, Instagram or Twitter, so that I help you that how you can channelize your energy. Education is not important, it is your mindset, it is your attitude and the way you channelize your energy towards that what is your passion in your life, what you enjoy the best or maximum in your life. I am sure you will be that successful and focused person who is contributing maximum in life. Now let me share with you that I published the first book, that was India Transforming, in May 2017. This book became the bestseller at Amazon within 24 hours. After that, I wrote another book which was India a 20 trillion economy by 2035-40. This book also, it was launched at NPL, National Physics Laboratory, by Dr. Jitendra Singh, the Minister of State at PMO, and within 24 hours of release of this book, became the bestseller at Amazon. And let me tell you that nearly all the recommendations what I made in my both the books have been accepted either in full or maybe with some changes by the government of India. So with this again, that please come to my channel, that is Pulse Beat of India, where I would like to be of your help to channelize your energy so that you contribute the maximum towards you, your family, nation. Thank you. Till next, Jai Hind.